Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unarchive a post on Facebook using your PC. Whether you've archived a post by mistake or just want to bring an old post back to your profile, it's a quick and easy process. Let's walk through the updated steps together. 1. First, open Facebook on your computer. 2. Once you're on the main page, click on your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile. 3. Now that you're on your profile, look for the 3 dots next to your cover photo. Click on those dots to open a menu. 4. In the menu, select Archive. This will bring you to the section where all your archived posts are stored. 5. From here, browse through your archived posts and find the one you want to restore to your profile. It could be a photo, status update, or anything else you've archived in the past. 6. Once you've located the post you want to unarchive, click on the 3 dots next to it. In the options that appear, click Restore to Profile. 7. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to restore the post. Confirm the action, and the post will be brought back to your profile for everyone to see. And that's it! You've successfully unarchived your post on Facebook. It's that simple. Now, your content is back on your timeline where it belongs. If you have any questions or need more help with Facebook features, leave a comment below, and I'd be happy to assist. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.